Yo, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Has Counter-Strike gone a bit stale? Do you want to add a bit of flavor to your game? Well, your pal Flix here has a custom models tutorial just for you. There's a lot of ways to do custom models. My original video on this still works, but this is a lot faster though, and a lot less likely for you to make an error. It's a lot more user-friendly. So I'd recommend you pay close attention. It's very straightforward though. Odds are you won't run into any issues. If you do, I'll make sure to try and help you in the comments so you can end up with nice knives like this, nice pistols like this, and play games in community servers. Or if you're one of those cheating people, you can actually use it on matchmaking. But who would cheat? Imagine cheating in Counter-Strike in 2021. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you've waited long enough. How do you get cool custom models like your pal Flix here? Well, it's actually not that complicated. At least this method is pretty easy. My old method, made a video before, it still works, but maybe that was a bit too complicated for some people. This one's very, very simple. So you're going to need MIGI, or MIGI, whatever you want to call it. You can go on Google, search Csgo MIGI, you go to the Reddit page, go and straight up press download. Or you can get it from the Discord server. There's two different versions, version 3.0 and 2.5. I'll be honest with you, I haven't used MIGI since over a year now, so I just have the 2.5 version still on. So if you want to follow this 100%, use the 2.5 version. So you click, you download it. I've already gotten it downloaded. After that, you go to your Steam profile, go to your you'd be here when you first do that. Go to your library, properties, and local files, browse, and there you go, you're at your local files now. So you go ahead and actually drag the MIGI you downloaded onto here. Then you want to run it. Yeah, run it. When you run it the first time, it'll actually create a folder called MIGI over here, which you could press go to add-ons. It does the same exact thing. MIGI, CSGO, add-ons, custom model. Oh wait, I haven't done that yet. My bad. All right, so the second part is you actually need some custom models, right? Now, the custom models I provided in my original tutorial, which I will provide them down below again. It's right here, extractme.winrar. It has files that work for this. Just have to kind of change them up. I'll get to that in a second. Okay, so we're back. I just extracted the file that I have down below. You guys can get it. It'll be like literally one of the first links up there. When you extract it, there's a bunch of models in here. AK models, AWP, Deagle, Galil, Glock, knives, M4s, etc, etc. There's a lot more models out there that you can go ahead and find yourselves and use. Now for this, I'm actually going to grab this one, because this one looks really cool, to be honest with you. Alright, so now we've practically got all the models we actually want, which is right now the AK-47 Knife Royal Guard, this COD AWP thing, and a USP skin. Now the next step, it's literally so easy. Wait, I have to make sure that these files are correct though. This one's not correct, because if it goes okay, so how you fix these files, some of them are kind of weird. It has to go right when you click on the file. It has to go straight to the materials, models, sounds, and there's a couple other things, but it depends on the model you have. Just make sure materials and models, right after you click on the folder, it's right there. So I'm going to fix that real quick. There we go. Delete this. It's useless now. This one's the same thing. And is this one also? Yeah, this one's the same thing. Now, what you do next, super simple. P underscore P underscore P underscore. There you go. These three models should show up perfectly fine in game now. It's important to have the P underscore, and it's important that right when you click on the folder, you have materials and models there. See, every relevant file is there. Every relevant file is there. You generally don't want to be like renaming some of the files. Like, some of them come pre-made to work with MIGI, and it'll break the sound files if you rename them. These ones didn't come pre-made, so you might actually have to fix up the sound files. It's a very easy fix, which I might go do another video on the more complex things, I guess. Not really complex, it's pretty simple, but we're gonna lose people. Let's not do that. So now that you've pretty much done that, go back to your Counter-Strike folder, MIGI, run it. Now it should show up. Do you see? I have the AK-47, the op, and the USP. Generate MIGI. Boom. Launch CSGO with MIGI. Okay, so we're in. I fixed things around so the game looks normal again. You'll know if it works because in the top left it'll say MIGI instead of normal CSGO logo. It's super easy to check if you actually got your models working properly or not. You don't even need to log into the game. Except if you have animation, then you have to check those out. So you go, USP. Boom, look, it changed. Wow. What else did we do? We did AK and op, right? AK should be changed. Yup. And op should be changed if I'm right. Yep, it is. Now, it could end up being... Right. That pops up on your screen. It could end up being bugged, like animation-wise. So we're going to go into a comp with just bots. Harmless bots. And go. Check everything works. And look, ta-da! It's working! Ooh, amazing skins! Now, for those of you playing legit, you could actually go on to custom servers, like custom servers with anything that has SV pure bypassed. You can pretty much play on it. So there's a lot of community servers like that. You can actually use these. Other people won't see it unless the file is on the server. There are some server files that literally would change the weapons for everyone. But if it's just for you, then just go on a community server that uses SV bypass. Oh, I'll show the op real quick. See, this is the op. I don't believe this one has custom animations. Gotta check in a second. See? Custom sound effect. Unlike the previous tutorial I did, this one actually works with sound effects. So, boom, you can have cool sound effects. This model is actually really, really cool. Can't believe I haven't recorded a video with it. I like the sound effect. Anyways, I've done like 20 million cuts, so I'm gonna do this one more time without a single cut, okay? Except we're gonna do it with a knife this time. Custom knives are super cool. Okay, plans to do this without any cuts now. I've added in the arm and the knife. Both of these, we have them in. We've renamed them. They're in the proper format. Models right away. Materials, models. Perfectly fine. You go to Counter-Strike. You run MIGI. Generate again. It generates super quick. The more models you have, it actually takes more time to generate. You launch CSGO with MIGI. 0 cuts. We got this. It might take a bit of time because it always does. Even though it's running on an SSD, it absolutely triggers me. Come on, 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 come on. Put you on an SSD, should be quicker. You know it works. You have MIGI in the top left. I was about to say top right. Bot match, sure, go ahead. Load me in, load me in, load me in. I always hate how long my game actually takes to load. It shouldn't. There you go. Ta-da! Custom knife and custom arms. Do you see how easy it is? Like the second you have the models and you properly name them, boom, you're good to right away get into the game, play your game. Anyways, for you legits, this is the end of the tutorial for you. If you want to go ahead, play on your custom servers, feel free to. But now, for people that are cheating, you can actually use these in matchmaking. Let me show you how. It's the exact same step. This entire tutorial is the same. Now that you have MIGI running, the next step is to load up your cheat. Not even joking. That's literally it. Here, I'll show you. I'm going to inject a Onetap real quick. There you go. Onetap injected in game. Load up a conf. You don't even need to load up a config, really. There's one important thing you have to do. Do I know where it is? No, I don't, actually. Here we go. It's in MISC, helpers, this eye icon. You want to do bypass SV pure. Without this, you'll get kicked out of the game. If you have this off, nope, no good. If you have it on, you're good. Now, I could show you it in a bot server real quick, but that's not cool. I'm going to show you it in... I don't want to queue a matchmaking, so we'll do casual real quick. Or deathmatch. Deathmatch is super quick. There you go, finally. Let's go CT. Never mind, CT is full. We're not going CT. Give me AK. Ta-da! I'm in game. This also works. Oh my god, I'm lagging. That's kind of. Hold up, what's up? Alright, we good, Counter-Strike? We good? Alright, we're good now. Don't know why I was lagging before. Still kinda am, whatever. So as you can see, boom. Look, models work. Knife. Knife works in game. Also works in matchmaking. As in competitive matchmaking. As in not deathmatch or casual, you know? You feel me? We lost. I just got it. So that's kind of about it for the tutorial, actually. I don't have much else to show you. It's literally that simple. I mean, there is an issue at times where it's pretty much broken with some models, which I don't really like. But yeah, I knew about MIGI when I made my first tutorial. I believe that's what I was using back then. But now I'm using something else. You know, you're always ready for the sequel. Always ready for part 3 of this video. But no, MIGI's pretty good. It's just I don't like how... Not broken, I guess. I don't like how it reacts with some models. That's the best way of putting it. There's more efficient methods that take a bit more time to do your models, but they're kind of guaranteed to work without you having to fix anything up, right? Because sometimes you've got to like fix up the sounds for these models. You got to fix up the textures. You got to move files around. It's a headache. And what I use is a lot less of a headache, you know? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, you know, like, comment, subscribe, and all that amazing stuff. Tell me if you hate cheaters down the comments, if for some reason you've stuck around for the tutorial to learn how to use it in matchmaking. I don't even have my aimbot on right now. Yikes. Yikes. Practically no aimbot on. Full backtrack though. Yeah, peace, ladies and gentlemen. Stay amazing. Yo, what is up, lady? Yo, what is up? Yo, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your pal Flix here, and are you bored of just normal? Intro sucked. Generally, it sucked. No, we're just reusing it. Old Flix is better than new Flix. Yo, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Has Counter-Strike gone a bit stale? Do you want to add a bit of flavor to your game? Well, your pal Flix is a custom model tutorial for you. There's a lot of ways to do custom models. My usual video on this still work. It's a lot faster. Some might say it's better. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna add this into the bloopers, by the way, because bloopers are funny. You go. Actually, you want to open it first to make sure what format it's in. God damn it. God damn it. It's a VPK file. It's a freaking VP. Why? Why? Why is it a freaking VPK file? Okay. Step 1 of the tutorial. Follow what the actual name of the document says. Yeah, that'd be a good idea. Oh my god. It's even named extract me first and I don't extract it. I actually don't have the USP equipped. We're gonna do this without a single cut right now. So I've added in the knife model I want to use. I actually didn't add in everything I want to use. God damn it. Alright, so the plan is to do this without any cuts now. I've added in 2 new models, the arm and the knife, which are... Oh, messed up. Okay. I say it's super quick, but it's already... There we go, finally. So much for me saying it's super quick. Yeah, it's super quick. Yeah, look how quick it is. Yeah. Cheating in 2021. Who would cheat in Counter-Strike in 2021? I wouldn't want to be that person.